In this video, I'll show you how to Bhop in CS2. Firstly, open CS2 and go to the game settings. Set the developer console option to yes. And then you can now access the console in-game by pressing the tilde key. To make the process easier, you can bind specific keys to perform the necessary actions. Press the tilde key to open the console and type bind space plus jump, bind wheel down, jump, bind wheel up plus jump. This binds spacebar and mouse wheel, scrolling up or down to jump the action, allowing you to Bhop more effectively. Bunny hopping on CS2 requires good timing, coordination, and practice. The key is to maintain momentum through consecutive jumps while starting to sync with your mouse movement. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.